This time the topic is the future of air warfare. Welcome to the Bellumdoc channel, where fascinating topics are weighed and pondered deeply and comprehensively. The logo, the globe, and the thinker symbolize the breadth of the topics. Join us on a journey that challenges your thoughts and broadens your view of the world. This is Bellumdoc. Technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and at the same time the forces of change in air warfare are defying previously unseen ways in the sky. Next, we delve deep into the future of aerial combat. Get ready to follow a journey that promises many fascinating revelations. Let's go! Currently, the most advanced fighter aircraft in the world is the F-35, manufactured by Lockheed Martin of the United States, representing the fifth generation. The first fifth-generation fighter, the F-22 Raptor made by Lockheed Martin of the United States, gradually entered service at the turn of the millennium. Fighters such as the US F-16, Russia's Su-35, and France's Rafale represent the fourth generation. Next, I'll briefly describe how fifth-generation fighters differ from older fourth-generation fighters. Fifth-generation fighters have been designed with a significantly more advanced ability to network with other systems on the battlefield as part of an integrated system. The ability of fifth-generation fighters to collect and process information from the battlefield is much more advanced. A fifth-generation fighter can operate effectively in all weather conditions and different missions. It can destroy air, land, and sea targets, while also effectively collecting and transmitting information, as well as surviving undamaged. Additionally, these fighters are characterized by internally carried weapons, radar-absorbing design and surface material, and more advanced electronic warfare capabilities. As a result, these fighters are harder to detect, track, and destroy in encounters with older generation fighters. Fifth-generation fighters can detect the older fighter much earlier and can launch missiles first. Currently, only the United States, China, and Russia have fifth-generation fighter jets classified as such in service. But other countries are also bringing their own fifth-generation fighters to the market, such as South Korea, India, and Turkey. At the same time, the United States, Europe, Japan, China, and Russia are already developing sixth-generation fighter jets. Sixth-generation fighters again have features that make them significantly more capable than the previous generation. What truly changes the dynamics of air warfare are AI-controlled robotic fighters. Unmanned, autonomously operating fighters can be taught to be more skilled than humans and have faster reaction times. Humans cannot withstand high G-forces. G-force is acceleration that affects the body like gravity. One G-force equals the Earth's gravitational force. Fighter pilots are trained to withstand G-forces, and the fighter's seat is designed so that blood flows better to the head during high accelerations and is assisted by a G-suit. This way, the pilot is less likely to lose consciousness in high G-forces. Robotic fighters do not have the same limitations, so robotic fighters can be built much more agile. AI-controlled fighters can also be sacrificed and do not feel fear. Initially, robotic fighters will come alongside human-piloted fighters, but competition in the military field is tough, and the role of humans is changing as AI takes on more responsibility on the battlefield. Another extremely significant factor is the introduction of self-defense lasers into fighters. Light travels nearly 1 million times faster than sound, so a missile or aircraft cannot possibly dodge a laser. Even if a fighter moves at twice the speed of sound or a missile at 7 times the speed of sound, they are very slow and easy targets compared to the speed of light. A laser that protects the fighter from all directions makes the fighter practically immune to approaching missiles and quickly destroys threats that come too close. In the future, air warfare will be transformed by increasingly advanced and intelligent missiles, AI, as well as more advanced weapons and observation systems. Thank you, dear listener, for joining the Bellumdoc journey. I would like to hear your thoughts and comments on the topic, so please do not hesitate to leave a comment below. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future episodes. Together, we can build a community that values intellectual curiosity. Stay tuned, the world is waiting.